Going to apply what we learned yesterday about the three different types of lines: parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular, and we are going to apply that to this diagram here. Okay, so for instance, if I'm looking at this diagram and I ask myself, are there any parallel lines in this diagram? I can find different lines that are parallel with each other here. So I have line AB here and line GH here. These lines are parallel to each other. They're both going straight up and down, and if they continued on and on forever, they would never intersect with each other. They would never cross paths. Do you see any other parallel lines in this diagram? Well, I see line DC right here, and I see line FE right here. And both of those lines are going exactly in the same direction. And if I extended those lines and they went on and on forever, they would never cross or never cross paths. And then I see line JK right here and line LM. So those are also parallel lines within this diagram. Okay? Now, what if I ask myself, are there any intersecting lines in this diagram? Well, intersecting means that they cross at one point. So I have line DC here, and it crosses line JK at this point right here. Do you see any other intersecting lines in this diagram? Well, I see FE, and FE intersects with line LM right here. But line LE also intersects JK right there. So I have already found 3 sets of intersecting lines. Do you guys see any more? There's another one right here. But AB that intersects JK is a very specific type of intersecting line intersecting lines because they create a 90-degree angle. So those are perpendicular lines within this diagram. Can I just clear the whole page? I don't think I can. Okay. So let's talk about intersecting lines. Or not intersecting lines. Perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines create a 90-degree angle. Right angle right here. So we talked about line AB and line JK are perpendicular lines. Do we see any other lines that are perpendicular? Well, I see line GH right here also intersects line JK, and it creates a 90-degree angle. And then line GH also crosses line LM and creates a 90-degree angle there. So within a diagram, we can pinpoint different types of intersecting lines or different types of lines. They might be parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular.